Hey there, kitchen gadget geeks. Today, we're diving into the story of how one man accidentally turned a melted chocolate bar into the microwave oven. Intrigued? You should be. Hit that subscribe button, and let's nuke this story into your brain. Once upon a time, in 1945, a man named Percy Spencer was just minding his own business, trying to win World War II with a little thing called radar. You know, the usual. But what Percy didn't know was that he was about to become the accidental hero of the modern kitchen. How? Well, it all started with a melted chocolate bar in his pocket. No, really. Now, before we get into the sticky details, literally, let's talk about radar. Back in the day, radar technology was all the rage. It helped the Allies spot enemy planes, submarines, and possibly even a few UFOs, though that last part is still classified. Anyway, Percy Spencer, a brilliant engineer with zero formal education but a ton of curiosity, was working at Raytheon, a company that was cranking out radar systems faster than you can say microwave. One day, while fiddling with a magnetron, the thingy that makes radar work, Percy noticed something odd. His pocket was getting, well, a bit gooey. Turns out, the chocolate bar he had stashed for a mid-morning snack had melted. But instead of just lamenting his sticky situation, Percy did what any great inventor would do. He got curious. Percy quickly realized that the radar waves from the magnetron were heating things up faster than a summer day in Texas. Naturally, his next move was to zap some popcorn, because who doesn't love popcorn? And when that worked, he tried an egg. Spoiler alert, the egg exploded, but that's just a small price to pay for progress, right? Fast forward a few years, and voila! The microwave oven was born. Initially, it was the size of a refrigerator and cost more than a car, so, not exactly your go-to gadget for reheating leftovers. But as technology advanced and prices dropped, the microwave became a staple in every modern kitchen. Today, it's hard to imagine life without it. I mean, how else would you make a midnight snack in 60 seconds flat? Over the decades, the microwave has transformed how we cook, how we eat, and how we pretend we're great chefs when all we're really doing is reheating last night's pizza. It's the unsung hero of busy parents, college students, and anyone who's ever tried to defrost a chicken in under an hour. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that microwaves cook food from the outside in? That's why your soup might be boiling hot on top and an ice cube at the bottom. It's also why that frozen burrito you love so much will always be a culinary gamble. So the next time you pop a bag of popcorn, nuke a cup of coffee, or reheat those leftovers, take a moment to thank Percy Spencer, the man who turned a melted chocolate bar into one of the greatest kitchen inventions of all time. And remember, sometimes the best ideas are the ones you stumble upon. Or, in this case, melt in your pocket. Thank you for watching. For more similar videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more untold history.